I'm actually putting in the same gear oil that I had in here the first time. I might switch the oil up next time, like for some better oil, but just for now, this is what I'm using. Yeah, so let me show y'all how many miles I'm at right now. Let's see what it's talking about. So my miles right here also got reset. I was at 630 miles, and then it had just got reset when I cut the bike back on. So this is like not accurate, but if you just hold down the power button, go to data, click this button right here, the mode. This is my original miles right here. So 804. But yeah, if your TALARIA ever reset, you could just go to data, click this right here, and then you can see how many miles you got. And then you got all this stuff in here, and then if you want to get out of it, just press exit, and then boom. Doing this for the second time. Gear oil using the same kind, 800 miles. Take all this out first. Then finna get to it. Lift the front of the bike up, but as I was doing that, I was holding it, so couldn't really show y'all. But I know if I take this off, the oil is gonna be like at the top. So I just finished putting the rest of it in, cause I rode with just like half of the bottle in, but the bottle empty now, so I'm finna just put this back on, and then that's really it for the oil part.